Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Webull for beginners. First, you'll need to download the Webull app and complete the account application. This typically involves providing personal details and linking a bank account for funding. Once approved, you can deposit funds, often with a minimum of $100, to start your investment journey. The platform is designed for ease of use, even for those new to trading. Once your account is funded, finding an asset to trade is simple. Use the search bar to locate stocks or ETFs by ticker symbol or company name. When placing an order, you can choose between a market order for instant execution or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. Remember to consider using stop-loss orders to help manage your risk effectively. Webull offers robust research tools, including advanced charting, technical indicators, and a comprehensive news feed to help you make informed decisions. As you gain experience, you might explore more advanced features like options trading or margin accounts, but always understand the associated risks. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments to align with your financial goals. For beginners, it's wise to start investing with an amount you're comfortable losing and gradually increase it as you learn. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across various assets to mitigate risk. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.